The DyineeFy Mini Drone DF100 is a visually appealing toy, equipped with an array of vibrant LED lights that emit a mix of green, blue, and various other neon hues, making it a captivating flying experience for children during the day or at night, indoors or outdoors. This mini drone offers a diverse range of features including a headless mode, altitude hold, 360-degree flips and speed adjustment, catering to players of varying skill levels and providing an exciting flying experience. The drone comes with rechargeable batteries, providing a continuous flight time of up to 15 minutes on a single charge, and a low battery alarm ensures users are always aware of the battery's operating status. The one-key takeoff landing function allows the drone to effortlessly ascend into the sky or descend to the ground at the press of a button, while the one-key return feature ensures the drone will return to the position of the remote control within reachable range, making it a simpler and carefree flying experience for kids and beginners. Constructed with high-quality ABS materials, the drone can withstand numerous collisions or falls, providing enhanced protection for its propellers and motors. The unique structural design of the mini quadcopter, along with 4 sturdy propeller guards, prevents potential harm from the rotating blades, ensuring the safety of young aviators and making it an ideal choice for children and beginners.